Okay, today on Chris Does What, we're going to add more illumination to the Jeep. And we have this light bar. See link down below for that video. And just need something to point, I guess, direct wherever you want. This is our son's Jeep. And so I never get to use it. Never get to play with the toys I install, but it's fun installing. So y'all stay tuned, and if you want to check out some great recipes or blog entries, go see chrisdoeswhat.com or diningwithdanielle.com. She has some great food out there. Keeps me nice and healthy. Y'all stay tuned. So, like I said, this light bar and this mount is in a video down below. And it came with these little peg things. So you can actually mount more lights onto it. Like you need more light with this bar, but this bar has been awesome. Very bright. It basically turned on, looks like daylight in front of you. But we're going to add more illumination here. And then I'm going to reroute this wire because right now it's ran through here and it's being super kinked up. So I've got this already pulled out and I'm going to run the wire down through here. So I don't kink the wires bad, don't smash the wire with the door, and repair the wire that's already here. Okay guys, so what I've done here is, this is basically a crimp-on heat shrink, and I've got heat shrink tucked all down through here. So I can pull the heat shrink over the existing wires and hopefully protect them a little bit more, because these are positive. And I positively don't want them to be corrupted or smushed or things like that. So I'm going to pull all this heat shrink I have here over all the wire. Sorry, they're putting out a pull back there. Life gets in the way. So I have all the heat shrink right here in place, and my heat gun magically appears and it shrinks all this heat shrink. And this will just help protect the wiring. And this will help protect the wiring, hopefully against being cut by the metal. And then we pulled this trim loose to help tuck it under here and hold it out from being pinched by the door. So we're going to run this across here. We're going to pull this up because we're going to mount this back on. Pull this back up to help hold this in place so this wire doesn't move. And there's nothing that moves here, so there's no chance of the wire stretching or anything like that. So I'm going to continue to put this together. I'm going to hook these other two wires up for this light right here. And then I'm going to, of course, make this look better. Okay, so I have all the wiring in place. Of course, it's not tied up. I still have heat shrink pushed down here so I can pull that up over the wiring. But Brandon, can you go ahead and turn on the lights? So that light, turn the other one. So both lights are very bright, and that is very bright. So this should add illumination. Plenty of illumination. Now let's get this tucked up, and what we want to do is avoid that when this door closes, crimping this wire, because that would be bad. Okay, if you see the wiring, I'm going to tuck it up under here to hold it, but right now, when you close the door, it doesn't hit the wiring at all. And this is going to be pulled up tighter right here, so it really won't get in the way. Okay guys, so we got the lights installed. They're very bright. You don't want to look directly at them. It's like,
keep doing that.
welding. Don't look at the light. But
oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we got them installed, and we're going to take a look at see how they look as we drive down the road when it's dark. It's still daylight. But if you like this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. Looks like this. And if you want these lights, I left all links down below for all these, plus the installation for this big one, because we didn't do that this time. And if you want great recipes, great food, check out dininginwithdanielle.com or Chris Does What. Y'all please take care.
Right.
No? No. Okay, so we're doing the night test. This is normal headlights. Now turn on the side lights. So they're way off to the side, so you can really see along the side. But this one needs to be raised a little bit more. Now turn on the main light. Now that is super bright. So we just point them up a little bit, turn that off, and we have it. Now turn off the side lights. Now we just need to adjust the headlights. But you can tell the big difference between the lights. That is the curved light bar on the top, and then the two side lights. Looks pretty good.